Chronological features not available on Instagram problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about chronological features that Instagram has just rolled out on the Instagram app. So here in this video I'm going to show you how you can get these features. Let me just show you what does chronological features means. So let us go to Instagram and then make sure that you update your Instagram. Okay, so if you didn't got these features, then um, I will say you how you can get this. So first of all, you can see here, before it was like Instagram, and here you before it was not available, the option, the arrow mark is not available, but it's available now. So just tap on it and here you can see following. So if you tap on following, means you will only be able to see the posts that you have followed. Okay, if you have followed 30 people on Instagram or 100 people on Instagram, you will be able to see only their posts, uh, only your following post. Okay, so this is a very good update. I really liked it. And here you can see favorites. So if you click to this favorite, you can add your favorite yeah, I mean, you can add your favorite friend, profile, or account. You can add anything like add favorite, and here you'll get the list of the person whom you want to add to your favorite. Or you can remove. And if you want to add extra, then you can go for this plus icon, and then you can add your favorite to whom you only want to see. Like if you want to see this Instagram post only, then it's you just need to tap on it, and then here you can see it's already added. So if you want to remove it, you can just remove it. And if you want to add more, then just click on this, and you can just search it, and you can add the person to whom you want to interact it only. So this is a very great features that Instagram has just rolled out. But guys, if you don't have these features, then what you need to do here, first of all, go to Play Store, or if you're using iOS, then go to App Store and then search for Instagram. Make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, this is the first step. And then after updating your Instagram, you just need to hold on for at least 3 to 4 hours. The features will be available, guys. But if it is again not available, then what you need to do here is that you have to just delete the Instagram application from your device. And after deleting the Instagram application, you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you have to go to Play Store and then reinstall the Instagram application, and then you have to